We are still inviting them.
Okay.
Definitely going to invite them. Most of yung active sa automotive and motorsport, for some reason, they're all based in the South. So, most of them are really good friends. I cannot announce the names, pero we have something special in store for them. As soon as yung commitments with car manufacturers and among the other sponsors, so we're gonna be giving them a free ride.
Okay.
And we'll see kung hanggang saan yung kaya ng dibdib nila or something like that. Yeah.
Joms, hindi kami kasi familiar masyado with the terms, no? Yung mga ginagamit ng terms kanina, yung rally and this. Pa-explain lang, anong mangyayari this Sunday, May 4? Tama, Sunday? Yes. What's gonna happen this Sunday?
May 4 is a slalom type of racing.
Anong ibig sabihin nun?
So, you'll be expecting cars driven in roads. These are roadworthy cars.
Okay.
So, yung mga mahihilig darating sila. Amateur level, they bring their cars and they compete.
May competition.
We created a small track for slalom designed here sa seaside boardwalk.
Anong klaseng competition to? Will they be racing?
Slalom racing.
Okay.
Time trials.
Oh.
So one after the other, they will be timed, and the fastest time wins.
That's happening on May 4.
May 4. And then that's 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And then onwards, 7 p.m. onwards will be yung legends of the 90s. This is a very prestigious group. These are iconic cars from the 70s, 80s, and 90s. Most of them are kept in garages, privately. So it's a big treat na makita natin sila in display.
So i-showcase nila yung mga sakyan.
Showcase nila yan in the same area where the race is held. So magliligpit lang kami ng konti, and then ano yan, makikita lahat ng mahihilig sa kotse.
Napipicture ko na siya. It's beautiful. You said 6 p.m. It's sunset. We're next to Manila Bay. So ang perfect nung background for those legendary and iconic cars. Thanks, John. Maraming salamat. Ambet.
Hello. Hello, good afternoon po. Since na-mention mo na rin yung May 4, no? Ano naman difference nito dun sa May 31 and on June 21 and 22?
May 31 will be Joms Cup. It's a drag racing event. 8-mile drag racing.
How far is that in meters?
It's 200 meters. So 200 meters, 3 categories. Vintage, classic, so vintage classic cars. And then the other category is muscle cars. Muscle cars. And then yung third category would be supercars. So these are totally different category cars na will compete. 40 participants per category. So simple lang to, mabilis lang. And probably the motoring media would understand. Maalala nila, medyo nostalgic. Same thing in Greenlands and White Plains.
Yes.
Difference is this time is legalized, legal tayo, legal venue. Pero ganun yung kultura namin ng araw, nasa Greenlands kami. Without the ngayon legalized na lahat. Wala na yung mga So, simple, drag racing ang May 31. And then, the rally events naman, this is the full-blown na rally. We'll be closing down roads, main roads within the vicinity, within the area, for the rally of Parañaque and the rally of Lubao.
Yung June 21 and 22, yun.
That will be the super special stage.
May mga kids na sinasabi si Sir.
Ceremonial flag and karting and slalom for the kids.
Yun po yung follow-up kasi ano po yung mga challenges na kinaharap ninyo in your preparation aside from looking for type in sponsors, kasi syempre sabi nga ni John kanina may mga legalities na to, at may mga permits na involved or what. So ano po yung mga klaseng challenges?
Challenges with production. I mean, you know, when you're a producer of events, doing production, there's always challenges, and there's no perfect production. So, sanay tayo dyan. Sanay tayo dyan. So, with this particular one, it's more on managing the size of it. Definitely, it will get bigger and bigger to the coming years. So, as a next step towards yung pagbubuo ng event, we're taking it gradual na to the size na nababagay. We don't want it full-blown. Kasi when you say drag racing, in Batangas Racing Circuit, in Clark International Speedway, you're looking at 1,500 to 2,000 competitors in a single Sunday or a single race day or single race week. Same with Batangas. Ang gusto natin, maingganyo lahat ng racers na may interest. And we're here to guide them through. Turuan sila with all the briefing. Dami nagsasabi, mahirap daw yung Pilipinas, pero kahit saan ka magpunta, andyan yung race cars, andyan yung muscle cars, andyan yung supercars, they're everywhere. Filipino car culture is alive. Very much alive. They're just waiting for a venue, and we're here to give it to them.
Last question na lang po ako. Meron po ba tayong special advocacy rito na gustong isulong? Kasi aside from the tourism na nakaka-attract ito at pwedeng mapag-usapan sa ibang partner rin, may advocacy ba kayong gustong isulong dito?
Road safety. I've been a road safety advocate since I became a professional race car driver way back 1996. When you promote motorsports, you promote road safety. Itong binibigay namin sa tao na mahilig. Ang passion are cars, fast cars, supercars. Mahilig sa karera, these are fans, these are Filipinos. Yung platform kung saan everything is organized. Everything is safe. Strict standards of safety. And all of these are legal. These are legalized races na we are the management. We are here to handle it. And we can manage it doon sa level na kaya namin. Ando tayo sa sitwasyon na baby tayo ngayon. So, di ba, inuumpisahan natin. Every step is crucial. And we want every step with surgical precision, no mistakes. We hate to go back to a parliament law way back 1980s na motorsport was banned.
Yes.
Yun eh. During that